As we move into 2023, the opportunities for starting a successful online business are greater than ever. With advancements in technology and the increasing number of internet users around the world, there has never been a better time to launch an online business. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this article, we'll explore some key steps to help you start a successful online business in 2023. 1. Choose a profitable niche before you begin building your online business. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to be profitable. You should conduct market research to identify a niche that has a strong demand and is not oversaturated with competition. 1. This could involve analyzing search engine trends, conducting customer surveys, and researching competitors' offerings. 2. Develop a business plan. Once you've identified your niche, it's important to develop a solid business plan. This should outline your business objectives, target market, product offerings, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan will help you stay focused and ensure that you're on track to achieve your goals. 3. Build your website. Your website is the face of your online business, and it's crucial that it's well-designed, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. You should consider hiring a professional web designer to help you create a website that reflects your brand and is user-friendly. In addition, you'll need to purchase a domain name and choose a hosting provider to ensure that your website is accessible to users around the world. 4. Create high-quality content to attract and retain customers. It's important to create high-quality content that's informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. This could include blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media content. You should also optimize your content for search engines by incorporating keywords and phrases that your target audience is likely to use when searching for products or services in your niche. 5. Establish a social media presence. Social media is an essential tool for building brand awareness, engaging with customers, and driving traffic to your website. You should establish a presence on the social media platforms that are most popular with your target audience, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can use social media to share your content, run promotions, and engage with customers in real time. 6. Implement a digital marketing strategy. In addition to social media, there are a variety of other digital marketing channels that you can use to promote your online business. 7. These could include email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and influencer marketing. 8. You should identify the channels that are most effective for reaching your target audience and develop a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that incorporates these channels. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is key to building customer loyalty and growing your online business. You should be responsive to customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback, and strive to provide personalized service that exceeds your customers' expectations. This could involve offering fast shipping, easy returns, and personalized product recommendations. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategy. Finally, it's important to monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as needed to ensure that you're achieving your business objectives. You should regularly analyze your website traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. This could involve tweaking your marketing strategy, updating your website design, or adding new product offerings to better meet the needs of your target audience. In conclusion, starting a successful online business in 2023 requires careful planning, a solid marketing strategy, and a commitment to providing exceptional customer service. By following these key steps, you can launch a profitable online business that's built to last.